Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Tuesday. You know, I had to record this because I actually said Monday, but I was traveling yesterday. So how are you? I'm not going to talk long today because I got a little bit of a longer post. Actually, it's a part one of a part two that I'm going to show you on Thursday. So I was away for the Rubi Girls weekend at the Dunes Resort in Douglas, Michigan. If you haven't gone, you got to go. But in beautiful Saugatuck, Douglas, Michigan. And so I decided to do a little video, which you're going to see of Saugatuck and just the surrounding area. It's just some nice video. And then part two of that will be of the Rubi Girls performance that they did on Saturday night at the Dunes Resort, which was out of control. It was a lot of fun. So, and I'm preparing right now. It's such a busy day. I did laundry. I got to show you what else I'm doing here. It's canning season, so I did some wonderful sour cherry jam, or tart cherry jam. It is sweet, but it's tart. And I got some other jam to do today, you know, it's like Grandma Greg. So I'm doing that because I picked some blueberries on the way home yesterday, not far from where I was in Douglas. Here's a picture of my bucket here. I picked almost 4 pounds. But I'm doing that today. Got errands and workout and everything else, and getting ready for Christmas in July at the Dunes Resort. Once again, this coming weekend, my favorite weekend of the whole summer. So if you haven't been there, you want to go. Look it up. The Dunes Resort, Douglas, Michigan. Christmas in July, wear something Christmassy and be in our little Christmas parade, walk-on parade during tea dance on Sunday. It's right around 5:30. Just meet outside, look for me. So, you know, wear something Christmassy, or the theme is kind of pink, purplish, something like that. So, anyway, onward. Enjoy the video. I'll post again on Thursday. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. I appreciate it a whole bunch. Thanks for the follow. I love you. I will see you on Thursday. Take care.
Ooh.